Good morning, Miss Sansan. My name is Muhammad Danish bin Rosli, and today I would like to present my final year project titled as Artificial Intelligence versus Manual Estimation HVAC Ductwork, a Cooperative Accuracy Analysis. Okay, I'm gonna start with introduction. First, I will explain the problem statement. Right now, manual ductwork quantity takeoff take quite a long time because every measurement need to be done manually. Other than that, it is also easy to make human mistakes such as missing ductwork section or measuring the same part twice. This error can affect material estimation, project cost, and also project planning. Because of this issue, I decided to compare manual estimation with an AI assisted method. The objective of my project are: first is to compare the accuracy between manual and AI assisted estimation. Secondly, to compare estimation time, ease of use, and reliability of both methods. Okay, that slide is about scope of work. For scope of work, my project covers several stages. It starts with the manual ductwork measurement process, followed by manual estimation analysis. Then, I perform the same estimation using Autodesk Viewer. After that, I compare both methods based on the estimation result. Lastly, I discuss the study limitation and the expected outcome of this research. Project planning. So it's like a flow chart. This slide show the overall flow chart of my project. Firstly, I conducted a literature review to understand previous studies. Next, I collected the HVAC drawing from the company. After reviewing the drawing carefully, I performed manual quantity takeoff. And then I repeated the same process using Autodesk Viewer. As both estimation were completed, I compared the result, analysis the collected data, and finally discuss the finding before making my my conclusion. Slide 5 is about Gantt chart. The Gantt chart show like the timeline of my project for 6 months. I started with the literature review and quality HVAC drawing. Then I completed both manual and assistant estimation. After that, I compared the data, analyzed the result, prepared the report, and finally submitted the final report according to the schedule. Overall, the project was completed based on the plan timeline. Slide 6 is about expected outcome. For the expected outcome, I hope to compare the performance between manual estimation and assisted quantity takeoff. Also, I want to identify the differences in estimation time, accuracy, and practically. Besides that, the study show whether Autodesk Viewer can improve the efficiency of HVAC ductwork estimation. Finally, I hope the project can provide a recommendation for using AI assistant tools in future HVAC estimation work. Slide 7 is about project implementation. The slide is explain the implementation process. Firstly, I review the previous research related to annual and assisted quantity takeoff. Next, I collected the same HVAC drawing, ductwork drawing for Megatara and Berhad. After reviewing the drawing, I carried out the manual quantity takeoff and then repeated the same process using the Autodesk Viewer. During both methods, I recorded the estimation time and quantity result. Finally, I analyzed all the collected data using the Microsoft Excel before comparing the performance of both methods. Slide 9 is about a manual measurement example. This picture show the actual manual measurement process. I measure every dot section carefully and mark each completed area on the drawing. This step helps reduce repeated measurement, but it still depends on the person doing the work, so mistake can still happen if not careful enough. Slide 10 is about Autodesk Viewer estimation. The slide show AI estimation using the Autodesk Viewer. Instead of measuring manually, I use the digital measurement tools provided by Autodesk Viewer. The software allows me to measure the ductwork quickly and mark completed section directly on the drawing. This made the process faster and more organized compared to the manual method. Slide 11 is about key finding. This table compare the taken time for each activity. For the manual estimation, the total time required for one floor was around 1 hour and 30 minutes. Using the Autodesk, the total time was only 33 minutes and 52 seconds. This means AI assisted method reduces the estimation time by more than half, that 50%. The digital measurement are marked out even more faster. However, manual verification is still needed to make sure all the measurements are correct. As for the result, the slides summarize the comparison between both methods. The manual estimation required 1 hour 30 minutes, while Autodesk Viewer only needed 33 minutes and 52 seconds. For the total quantity, manual method recorded 71,930.3, while Autodesk Viewer recorded 40,595.97.4. The differences show that the different method can produce a different quantity takeoff result. As in terms of accuracy, the manual estimation is more likely to have a human error, while Autodesk Viewer help reduce the miss or repeated measurement. Overall, Autodesk Viewer is faster and more efficient, but the final estimation should still be checked manually before it's used for an actual project costing. That's all from my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, I will do best to answer them.